Hey everybody, I'm Dougall Fraser and welcome back to my channel. Did you know the most accurate psychic reading you can receive is actually from yourself? What? I know, shocker. Here's the thing, I'm about to save you a lot of money. But the truth is, when it comes to pure divine wisdom and 100% accuracy, the only person that can receive that information is you, and here's why. You have a cosmic blueprint, an agreement with the universe about your strengths, your weaknesses, and directions that you can go in your life. If you visit a tarot card reader, or an aura reader, or a medium, or a spiritual coach, they have the opportunity to take a glance and look at that with you. Think of it kind of like reading the book jacket of a long novel. You get the theme, you get the ideas, you get some of the major players, and you can point out some interesting things that may manifest or arise in your life, but you don't get to read the full body of the work because it's intimate. It's between you and the creator, the universe, God, whatever word you are comfortable with. So today, I want to talk about how you can predict your future accurately because it may be a little bit more simple than you think. When it comes to predicting your future, I want you to think of your body as your own oracle, your own deck of tarot cards. As you ask questions or visualize different possibilities for the future, your body, your energy system is actually speaking to you. Think of something in your life that you're feeling frustrated with or challenged by, and you're concerned about the outcome. Normally, when we're working on something, we think about it in the present moment. What should I do? What's going to happen? We're so confused. We're so overwhelmed by opportunity or decision making that we moved into this sort of paralyzed state of mind. What I want you to do is start to think about the future. Flash forward 5 years from now and start visualizing different ways that things could play out in your life. Maybe you feel really stuck in your career. You've had the same boss and the same work environment for so long, and you keep thinking to yourself, is this what I'm supposed to do? Should I stay here? Is it the right choice for me? But then you move into a spiritual state of mind. You close your eyes for a moment, you visualize 5 years from now, and you ask yourself simple questions. Am I working in the same environment? Do I have the same job? Do I have the same colleagues? Do I have the same boss? You will feel a reaction in your body. If it's not the right choice for you, your energy will come closer to your body. You'll feel frustrated. Your muscles will tense. If you visualize a different work environment, a different boss, a different job that you're doing, and that's the right choice for you, your energy will start to flow. Your energy will start to feel good. This is exactly what I'm doing with clients. If someone comes to me with a question about soulmates, right? This is obviously a pretty popular topic for someone like me. They might ask me about someone that they've been dating for a year. They will want to know whether or not this is their soulmate, if this is the person that they're supposed to marry. And while they're talking, I may ask for their partner's name. I may ask for their date of birth. But what I'm doing is visualizing the future in my head. If I start to see these people growing and expanding and connecting and serving each other, then it is most likely going to happen for them. If while I'm visualizing the future of this relationship, I just can't see it in my head, I feel like I'm straining for it to be real, that's typically when I say, as an energy reader, this is probably not going to work out. And I want you to remember, you do this all the time. For example, I want you to think of someone right now that you find really challenging, really irritating. We come across these people all the times in our life. It could be a family member, it could be a friend, it could be a coworker. But I want you to think of how your body reacts. Typically, you get a little tense, you feel a little bit overwhelmed, you might even shrink a little bit, you might actually pull your body in. And now let's think of the opposite. I want you to think of someone who is so close to you that you feel so comfortable with, the most special person in your life. And think about the different manifestations in your body. You tend to expand. You breathe differently. You feel more open. You might even stand taller because that energy works for you. You can literally apply this to any question or situation in your life. When you're visualizing the future, the way that we separate hope or what we want to manifest from an actual prediction is by tracking the energy of how we feel. If you're visualizing a plan of someone that you want to date and your energy expands and you feel good and it just feels easy to do, follow that energy. There's something there for you to learn. If you're thinking of changing careers and you're a little bit nervous, but when you get clear in your mind and you visualize yourself doing that in the future, you will feel it in your body. Your body posture will change. You will open and expand. This is the universe's way of saying, yes, go for it. Remember, the most accurate intuition about your life comes from you. You can forecast things 3 days from now, 5 years from now, 50 years from now, but you have to remember that you are in charge of your destiny. If the current situation for you doesn't feel good, isn't the right fit, isn't making you feel like your most authentic self, then let's begin to visualize a different future. Trust your energy, trust your body. It will talk to you, and I guarantee it will be the most accurate psychic reading you will ever receive. Speaking of that, if this video was helpful for you, if it expanded your energy, if it made you feel your most authentic self, click like and hit subscribe. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.